The moving truck has arrived. I'm kind of surprised they brought that big old truck because we're not loading out till tomorrow. They have arrived. So I should have done this last night while everything still looked pretty. We've got stuff sitting all over the place now. Everything was pretty clean last night. The TV's about to come off the wall. I'm gonna miss this place and the people here. This is our bedroom, of course. Bathroom, all the things that have to go to the camper. Good luck with that. Our shower that I would have made a little bit bigger if I'd have thought about it. Cut a little bit of space out of the toilet room in here. The movers are coming in a little bit to pack up. We made this for in case of resale, and the new owners wanted a master closet and to turn this back into a bedroom. All that's going to the camper too. There's Muffin. She's making herself at home everywhere she goes. Greg says he's leaving my shoe holders. I'm sad about that, but I guess he can build me new ones. There's his closet. Smells like campfire in there. Hallway. This would be the entry door to what is currently my closet. Hall bathroom. Dean's bedroom. Doesn't look too bad. Kept it clean since we had to clean it up. Linen closet. I'm doing a last load of laundry. Guest room. Guest room closet, really nice size. We could have actually cut that down some probably and made Dean's closet deeper. Wish we would have done that. Laundry room. Shelving. I would have actually put cabinets up here if I'd have thought about it, but I didn't. Our beautiful stair rail, which I love. We're ready for Texas. That was the first thing we bought for this house on a trip last 2019 to Texas, and we bought that right after, actually right before we signed a contract on the house. Some of my decor. Entryway bench. We had that in South Rim because we needed a place to put all of our stuff that we would come in with, the jackets we were wearing and my purse and stuff and Greg's hats. And it actually fit perfect in that little niche right behind the front door. So that was perfect for that. We have a mud room where we come in and out. These are just jackets by the front door. So I thought that worked out really well without even having to plan for it. All this is getting packed up. That's just packing materials over there in banker's boxes. My nail stuff, that's all going in the camper. My laptop. Filing cabinet's gonna get packed up, of course. And some personal info in those boxes. The basement is not finished. I'm not gonna bother to go down there. Plus it's a mess. The TV came off the wall last night. We're getting ready for the movers to come start packing things up. Got Muffin a new carrier. Greg's making a trip out to the camper. Like I said, it looked really good in here. All that stuff there is going in the camper. Looked really good in here last night, but there's all of our kitty supplies also going in the camper. This is gonna be a trip. I'll probably do another video after everything's packed up and out. And then here's our mud room. our closet. All the things. And then bins with shoes and boots in it. And then out into our garage area. We've got the 2-car there, and then the 1 car is over on the side. So yeah, I'll do another video right before we leave. Lots of stuff happening around here.